Good morning, everyone. Let us start with day 25 of our regular SAP FICO session. This is part 2 of day 22, wherein we will do the practical for the part that we discussed in day 25, part 1. I have logged into SAP. Let me go into the customizing menu, SAP reference IMG. The first activity that we have is to assign the chart of account to company code. Going into the financial accounting, in the GL accounting, master data, GL accounts preparation, assign company codes to the chart of accounts. We know that our company code was RCII, which has to be assigned to the chart of account that we created for RCI group, that is RCIG. Let's go back and look at the next activity that we have to do is assign the fiscal year variant to the company code. So that is under the financial accounting global setting, financial accounting global setting. Let's go into ledger and fiscal year and posting periods. So assign company code to the fiscal year variant. We have created RCII, and we know at this point in time when we are not doing laser level configuration, we have to assign the fiscal year that is relevant for the whole group, that is K4 in our example. K4 is for January to December, which we have to assign over here. V3, which is April to March for the Indian company, will be assigned at the laser level to the non-leading laser. Next is assigning the posting period variant to the company code. We know that our company is RCII, which has to be assigned to the posting period variant, and the posting period variant that we created was posting period variant RCIJ. RCIJ. So at the company code level, we are assigning the posting period variant, the fiscal period variant that is applicable for the group reporting. After this, we also have to assign the field status variant to the company code. Let's go into the fields, and here we have the assign company code to the field status variant. RCII, and the field status variant that we have created is RCI. Let me just check what is the field status variant that we created is RCIG. RCIG. It says like RCIG doesn't exist in the table, so I'm not sure whether we saved the RCIG creation or not. Let's go back and let's try to define the field status variant, as it looks like we did not save the configuration in the last session. Let me try to find out RCIG. So RCIG is not created. Hence, let's create one by copying 0001. So select 0001, click on copy and give RCIG RCI field status variant. Choose enter, copy all, enter, click on save and save it. Now after we have created the field status variants, let's assign it to the company code. so that this particular object becomes applicable to our company code. RCII was our company code, which has to be assigned to RCIZ. Let me save it. So by now we have completed all those four activities. Before we move forward, I would like to open posting period or the 7th month for our company code. Let's do that. Going back, and under the fiscal year we have open and close posting periods. Going here, RCIZ was the posting period variant that we have assigned. Just click on new entries and select the account type as plus. Plus means it is valid for all the accounts from period 7 of 2025 to 7 of 2025. Let me save it. Yeah, so now you see, for all the accounts, for all the accounts period number 7 of 2025 is open. This is already saved. Let's go back. The next step that we'll be doing is working with the ledgers. We have already seen the explanation of those ledger in the part 1, wherein we understood that 0L is the leading ledger, RI is the non-leading ledger for India, and RU is the non-leading ledger for US. We also understood that 0L is the standard ledger which is automatically created by SAP, and RI and RU, those being the non-leading ledger, we have to create those ourselves. The second thing that we understood about the leading ledger is it is applicable for the group reporting or consolidation. The non-leading ledgers like RI and RU are applicable for local reporting requirements. Now let's go and create those. Going back into the ledger subsection, and here we have define settings for ledger and currency types. Click on confirm. Choose enter, and here we have ledger 0L. For ledger 0L, let's go into the company code setting. Here let's check whether our company code is assigned to ledger 0L or not. You see the company code is already assigned to ledger 0L, as ledger 0L is the predefined ledger in SAP which holds all the company codes that are created in SAP. We understood that RCII company code should be assigned to local currency as well as group currency, which are nothing but INR and USD in case of RCII, which is an Indian company code. As of now, we do not see the global currency type editable over here. This will automatically come when we create the controlling area. And the right, we have three more currencies which are applicable for material valuation. So here first currency is already selected as 10, being the local currency. The second currency will be available for selection when we create the company code with the group currency. As of now, I'm leaving the currency part away and going towards other setting in this particular company code, which are assignment of the fiscal year variant, posting period variant, which has automatically come from the assignment at the company code level. The next that I will be assigning is the accounting principle. That we already understood that at the jurial level, the group reporting accounting standard will be should be assigned. So the group accounting principle that we have created is RCFR. Let us assign that RCFR and let me save it. Let me save it. Next thing, let's assign the accounting principle at this level also, that is RCFR, and save it. So you see, we have assigned the fiscal year to ledger 0L and company code RCII. We have assigned the accounting principle. We have assigned this company code currency 10, which was automatically assigned. Group currency will be assigned to level 0L when the controlling area with group currency will be created. We also saw that fiscal year variant has also been assigned, and along with that the posting period variant has also been assigned. The next thing that we will do is creation of the non-leading ledger. Let's create the non-leading ledger by copying one of the existing ledger, or by copying one of the existing ledger. So the non-leading, we will create RI for India, RCI non-leading India, right? This is not a leading ledger, so we will not select this. This is also a standard ledger for used for legal valuation, and let us click on enter. We are only copying the entry, that is we only created the ledger which is RI. Click on enter. Enter. For every ledger, a ledger group is automatically created when a ledger is created. That was the pop-up in the previous screen. Now this is the ledger. Let us assign to the company code. Click on new entries and assign the company code RCII, for which fiscal year variant will be V3, and posting period variant is RCIA, RCI India 2, and the accounting principle is INDA. Let me click on enter. You see the currency type 10 is automatically populated and 30 would come automatically when we create the controlling area. Let's go into accounting principle and click on new entry and assign INDA. Just saving it. This is how we have created the non-leading ledger RI, and we have assigned the parameters that are applicable for Indian company code, that are the accounting principle, fiscal year variant, posting period variant, currency type. With this, we have completed the definition of ledger and assignment of the ledger to the company code. The next thing that we'll be doing is, as mentioned in the Excel file over here, assignment of the accounting principle to the ledger. So here we have the parallel accounting. In the parallel accounting, the define accounting principle step we have already completed yesterday. Today we will be assigning the accounting principle to the ledger groups. Let us create the new entries wherein we will be assigning IFRS RCFR is our accounting principle to 0L, and the next in Ind AS to RI. We have not yet created the RU ledger. That's the reason we are not doing the assignment as of now. We will create the RU ledger for US company code later when we configure the US company code. Let us save this particular setting. This is how we completed all the steps that we have theoretically discussed in part 1 of day 25. With this, I am closing for the day with the hope that you have already understood the assignment of the global objects that we have done to the company code, creation of the ledgers, and understanding of the ledger functionality. We'll meet again tomorrow. Thank you.